Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel, the go-to destination for all things health and wellness. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you, the ultimate guide to a high-protein diet. If you're serious about gaining muscle and achieving your fitness goals, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's talk about why protein is crucial for muscle growth. Protein is the building block of muscles, and increasing your intake can accelerate the muscle building process. Whether you're a seasoned fitness buff or just starting, a high-protein diet can be your secret weapon. Now, let's explore some fantastic sources of lean protein. Chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, and Greek yogurt are not only delicious but also packed with the protein your muscles crave. The best part? They're low in fat, making them ideal for muscle building without unwanted weight gain. And for our plant-based friends out there, don't worry, there are plenty of options for you too. Tofu, tempeh, lentils, and quinoa are excellent plant-based protein sources that can help you reach your fitness goals. Looking for a convenient way to boost your protein intake? Consider adding protein shakes and bars to your routine. They're quick, easy, and can provide a substantial amount of protein. Just be mindful of sugars and additives, choose wisely. Now, let's talk about a game changer, meal prepping. Planning and preparing your meals in advance ensures you always have healthy, protein-packed options at your fingertips. It's a key strategy for staying on track with your high-protein diet. Maximize the benefits of protein by spreading your intake throughout the day. Incorporate protein-rich snacks between meals to keep your muscles fueled all day long. It's all about consistency. Certainly not least, don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your body digest and absorb protein efficiently, supporting muscle growth and recovery. In conclusion, a high-protein diet is your ticket to a stronger, fitter you. Incorporate lean protein, embrace meal prepping, and stay hydrated. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable fitness and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay fit and healthy. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful information. Thank you and stay safe.